Good afternoon, everyone. I would like to thank the organizers for the kind introduction and also for the giving us the opportunity to present our results here. I would like to talk briefly about RAITH, give a bit of a background information about what we do in general, and then specifically about RAITH laser systems, which is situated in Eindhoven, and I would like to discuss some application examples which I believe are of interest to the broader micro-LED and AR/VR community in this conference. RAITH is a global technology and market leader focusing on maskless nanofabrication methods, and we were founded in 1980, and these days we have more than 450 employees worldwide. We have more than 1,200 instruments installed at a very broad customer base from academia to industry with more than 10,000 users. So we are a solutions development company focusing first and foremost on nanofabrication via e-beam, ion beam, and laser beam lithography. But more recently, we also are focusing more and more on process control and nanoanalytics and things like CD-SEMs, etc. RAITH laser systems in particular has a product portfolio that pretty much addresses everything that you can think of in the microfabrication area, by direct write laser lithography. We have generally two flavors of products. One type is single beam. These are focusing on high resolution, both in spatial resolution and in terms of grayscale levels. So these are called Picomaster systems. Picomaster 100, 150, and 200. This number refers to the maximum exposable area. And the other kind of product is a multi-beam tool where we can expose at a lower resolution of about 600 nanometer lines and spaces. But now this is 50 to 100 times faster than a single beam tool. And of course, that kind of improved throughput allows us to expose larger areas, starting from 500 millimeter by 500 millimeter, all the way up to 1400 by 1400 millimeter square exposable areas. I would like to give a bit of an overview of all the applications that we can address. Essentially, we can make with using the single beam systems in particular, but also with the multi-beam tools, we focus on grayscale lithography a lot, and we can make microlens arrays. We can make very high frequency gratings down to 200 nanometer lines and spaces. This is well beyond our specified resolution. And also, we can make all sorts of different nanostructures that includes photonic crystal arrays. As we previously heard in the session, these are becoming more and more important in extraction of the light emitted by the micro-LEDs. We can make all kinds of light control devices such as microprisms to control the emission angle of the LEDs, and we have very good alignment capabilities. In addition, we can also create more complex structures for beam shaping, such as variable pitch gratings, diffractive optics. We can make microfluidic devices with these tools. We can expose relatively large areas with very high resolution features. At the same time, we can also make very deep grayscale exposures upwards of 100 microns, 120 microns is very well possible. This is what you are seeing on the lower left-hand side. And one particular application of our tools, especially the single beam ones, is the security hologram industry. And we can also expose very deep structures, which have applications, applications in microfluidics, but also advanced packaging. So I appropriated this picture from Mojo Vision's website. I hope that's okay, but